back to the art of living. Now last time I asked you guys to start a gratitude journal, and every night before you go to bed, write down at least 2 things that you're thankful for. Now keeping these things in mind, we're going to create a simple yet elegant give thanks sign to hang on your wall. Not only is it beautiful decor, but it also reminds us that along with dreams, we have to remember to live gratefully. Let's get started. Today we're going to make a beautiful fall themed Thanksgiving sign. We're going to start with an 8x10 canvas from the dollar store, as well as some acrylic paint in a variety of fall colors, a foam plate, kitchen sponge, scissors, Sharpie, glue stick, and glue gun, as well as some fall leaves, decorative ribbon, and some acorns, either real ones from your backyard or from the dollar store. A full list of all materials needed will be in the description box below. Starting with our canvas in the landscape position, take your yellow paint, shake it up thoroughly first, and squeeze a puddle onto your foam plate. Next, take a damp kitchen sponge and fold it in half. Dip it in the yellow paint, wiping off a little bit of the excess, and then just randomly dab it around your canvas. We're not trying to make any particular shape here, and we are definitely not trying to cover the entire canvas. Make sure you leave some white areas for the next color. Don't forget to do the sides as well. Next, take your red, again giving it a good shake, pour a puddle onto your foam plate, not cleaning your sponge. Dip your sponge into the red paint and again repeat the process. You want to paint some of the red directly onto the white canvas to maintain the red color, but you also want to go over some of the yellow to create an orange tone. Again, don't fill up the entire canvas. We're not done yet. Next, take your green paint, shake it as well, and put another puddle onto your plate. Using the same process by dipping your damp sponge in but not cleaning it, go over more of the white spots to fill in a bit more of the canvas but still leaving a little bit of room. Finally, we're going to use our brown paint. Using the same process, we're going to fill in whatever white spots are left. Then take a look and see what other color you might like to enhance. Maybe you want more yellow in yours, more red, more green. It's totally up to you. And go over the spots where you want to add more color. Just be careful not to go too crazy and add too many colors, otherwise you'll end up with a muddy brown mess. What you're aiming for is, imagine if you were looking at a beautiful fall picture of trees and you squint your eyes at the trees and they're all sort of blurred together. That's the kind of effect that you're going for. Once your fall scene is the way you want it, make sure you dry it completely with a hairdryer before putting on the lettering. Now with the lettering, you have several options. If you're very creative and have a steady hand, you can just draw the words "Give Thanks" onto the canvas and then paint over it with some black acrylic paint or a black Sharpie. However, if you're not so creative, you can just print the words off on your computer, and then you can cut them out. You can either put the "Give Thanks" all together or one on top of the other. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Then, again, you have other options. You can cut out the letters and use some Mod Podge to attach the letters to the canvas and then go over with another layer of Mod Podge to firmly secure it onto your canvas. Or you can also use a technique to trace. Taking a graphite pencil, go over the back of your letters fairly heavily to cover all of the letters. Then flip them over onto your canvas and using a ballpoint pen or the same pencil, go over very firmly to trace out the outline of all the letters. Now it's not showing up very well on the camera, but you can see the faint outline of the letters, which again you can go over with a fine brush and some acrylic paint, or a Sharpie marker. Or if you really want to cheat and make it easy on yourself, the dollar store does carry a lot of peel-off Thanksgiving signs that you can just cut the words out and stick onto your masterpiece. It's totally up to you. Again, using your glue gun and glue, attach some of the decorative leaves, acorns, and any other fall-themed items that you want to decorate your sign and hang it up. Another option, or an afterthought, is to take some cardstock or pretty paper in fall colors and cut out some leaves and other fall shapes. I used my Cricut, but you can just freehand them or again print them off the internet. Then, at your Thanksgiving dinner, invite your family and friends to write on the leaves things that they're thankful for and attach them to your sign, or make another side-by-side sign to go with it. Now, doesn't that make you feel thankful that you started this craft? If you enjoyed making this fall-themed decor, please give it a thumbs up below as well as a great comment. Also, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified the next time I upload a new video. If you think any of your friends or family might enjoy this video series, please share it with them, then they too can begin the art of living. See you next time, guys. Bye.